Right, let's do some programming. Right, let's run this shit. Okay. The login window. Look at it, beautiful it is. Right, let's make some buttons work. Those four need to work. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's make some buttons, do the buttoning things. Where should we put the buttons? Let's put them down here. We've got button home, button Twitter, button email, and button Discord, yeah. Okay. Twitter. Email. And home. Let's go. Oh, can't find the include. Okay. And then once I've done this, I check the tab order. Yeah, let's check the tab order. Tab order. Yeah, that's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. That's tab order done. Then we want to do tooltips for this. Is my build broken? Oh. Tooltip. Home. Twitter. Oh wait, that was... Let's try all of those things. Right, does that work? Then I've got one bug to fix in the login window. Yeah, it's in here. I think I need to be more careful. Build really is slow. I think it's because it's got to build. It's got to generate. Really? Right, and then once I've done this login window stuff, then I've got to do. Yeah, I've got a few. Yeah, I've got some. Lots of other things to do. I think I'll do a backup button. So at the moment, the backup, there's only one way to get to it, and that's okay. But I can add more. Okay, that works. It's got the tooltips. If I click, yep, goes to the website. Here, goes to the email. Oops, email client. Here, goes to Twitter, and here goes to Discord. Excellent. That is good. The buttons work. Cool. Alright, next thing. So buttons work, tooltips work. Right, so there's still one bug in this window, which is if I select this, there's a way to... Oh, you see, I just did it there, yeah. If it's inside a child widget, it messes up. Like it jumps. Whereas if I grab it from... Yeah, see these buttons, it screws up. How do I fix that? I think it's... See, it doesn't do it if it's inside here, but it does do it on the checkboxes and these buttons. How do I do this? The problem is when you press down, yeah, it needs to be... If it's touching a child widget, so I need to do some Googling for this. Is there like a queue dialog? Probably being queue widget. Like, I need to know whether... Or I need to, like, get the widget at a location, and then if it hits a widget... That is, but only some. Hey, Beef Viper. But only if it's like an interactive widget. Like if I get the child widget at a particular location, so I need to do like. But even then. That doesn't make sense. How do I do this? This is such an awkward thing to do. If the mouse press event, so maybe pause needs to be like optional. If I make it optional, and then if dot is underscore initialized and that, but if we do like buttons and so only if it's left button do we want to check. Everything else resets it. And then in here we want to check, did it get a child widget? So is it like child at, I think? Yeah, there is child at a point. So if I go event pause, then I can do like qdebug that, but that's going to get me a null sometimes. So if I go q widget, widget is equal to that. So if I think I can do that. So if widget, okay, well else is move, I guess. It always move. So we'll see what kind of widget it is. I think. What's wrong with this code? I think this works. Because, well, we'll check what kind of widget it is. So we'll just check, is it a push button or a checkbox or a combo box? And that, if it's any of those, actually we should probably do the reverse. We should maybe we just, no, because QLabel we still want to do it. So this still works fine. Oh. Oh, of course, but the message, oh, I see what the problem is now. Okay, why? Now that's kind of confused me. Because it doesn't reset it. Okay, so if I click here, yeah, that didn't do it. Yeah, so if this is on first startup, but now if I move it a little bit and then do it, now it's broken again. I think I need a mouse release event. Yeah, let's do, so mouse press event, mouse release event, I think that's what it's called. So inside here, we're just going to reset it every time. And that way, I think this works. Yeah, I think that works. And that will finally be the login window fixed. And it looks kind of trendy and nice. Come on. Build. Build. Why do you take so long? Maybe I need to buy a better computer. Alright, so now if I do this, it's good. And I do this and it's good. Excellent. So that's what I need. So I can't do it off this, but I can't do it off that either. So I do need to check what kind of widget it is, because I can't drag. I can only drag where there is no widget. But off these things I can. So it's either I do an exclusionary or inclusionary. I'll probably do